Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking a single niche so the algorithm can learn your content. Once done, make your account public and switch to creator mode. This gives you analytics. Film a vertical 15-30 second clip and open with a 3-5 second hook that promises value. Make sure captions and the first frame match the promise. Then upload with a descriptive caption, 3-5 targeted hashtags, and choose the best cover. Hit post when engagement timing for your audience is high. Next, you focus on key ranking signals the algorithm watches. Aim to boost watch time by cutting dead seconds and creating a loopable ending because repeats count. Once you add a trending sound or a variation of it, the system can test broader audiences. Make sure to reply to comments quickly and pin a high-value comment to increase early engagement. Also, mix original content with 1-2 trend adaptations so the algorithm sees both distinct identity and relevance. Finally, you review performance within 24 to 72 hours. Focus on retention, click-through rate, and how many viewers follow. Once a video wins, scale by creating 2 remixes, 1 follow-up, and cross-post without watermarks. Make sure to keep publishing consistently so the algorithm keeps sampling your content. If things go wrong, troubleshoot by swapping the thumbnail or cover, shortening the clip, and updating caption and tags. If needed, try a fresh sound or repost at a different peak hour.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.